How to cash out on Cash App to a debit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can cash out on Cash App to a debit card, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now think about it this way: your debit card comes from your bank, so if you're transferring to your debit card also means you're transferring it to your bank, and if you're transferring it to your bank, vice versa, which means that you're transferring it to your debit card. So instead of trying to get this whole notion about transferring and withdrawing and cashing out on a debit card, why not talk about how you can cash out on your bank account? Because obviously you can link a debit card to Cash App, but if you're talking about directly withdrawing to your debit card, then there's no way you can do that. All you can do is withdraw to your bank account. So currently, if I open the Cash App on my phone and then I go to the dollar tab over here, and of course this is assuming that you've already linked your debit card and your bank account. So if you've not done so, make sure that you've already linked your debit card. We've already made a dedicated video on how you can add debit card to Cash App, so you can find them in our channel. Now just tap on the cash out option and then enter the dollar amounts that you would like to withdraw. Once you enter the dollar amounts that you would like to withdraw, what you need to do is right at the bottom, just tap on the cash out button, and then you'll basically have two options, which is a standard transfer to your bank and other is instant transfer. If you think that you can wait, then you can do a standard transfer for absolutely free. It's not going to cost you a dime. But if you think that you need the money instantly, of course it's going to carry some kind of fee that is associated with it, which is $0.25 fee. So you can just go ahead and then fill that in, and then it is going to transfer the money to your bank or your debit card instantly. Hope this video answered a question as to how you can cash out to debit card on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.